Hey everyone, welcome to this introductory video of Tinkercad. In this video, I am talking about bunch of basics of Tinkercad. So initially, you have to go through this website and after that you have to register. But I am already a user of Tinkercad and I have already logged in, so I will directly go to my dashboard. So you can see I have reached to my dashboard, and Tinkercad is used for many other purposes also, like it is also used for design, code blocks and lessons. But we have to create a circuit, so select the circuit and go to create new circuit. After this, you will directly reach to your workspace where you can create your circuit. So you can see you have reached to your workspace and there are many different functions. So I will explain first what is components. And so you can see components has two blocks, one is basic and one is all. So basic consists of basic electronic components like resistor, LED, push button, while all consist of basic components as well as advanced components like inductor, Zener diode. These components are not in basic components. So if you want to make an advanced project, then this component will help you. So now I want you to grab a couple of components in workspace. So, grab LED. You can also search any component from here. If you want to change the color of LED, you can change by just select the LED and you can change the color from here as well as name. If you want to change the value of resistor, just select the resistor and you can change the value from here. Same with battery. If you want to rotate any component, select the component and you can rotate from here. Now we have LED, resistor and battery. Now we will make a circuit and we will simulate it. If you want to check the polarity of battery and the terminal of LED, means which node is positive, which node is negative, you can check it by keeping the cursor on the node for 2 or 3 seconds. You can see this node is negative and this node is positive. Same with LED, you can check this terminal is anode and this terminal is cathode. So now I will make a connection. So you can also add wire by clicking on the end of battery. So if you want to draw a wire, you can draw from, just drag the cursor, drag the mouse from on the node and click on the resistor. You can see there is a wire connected between resistor and node. Same with terminal. You can also change the color of wire by selecting it. If you want to delete any wire, you can delete it. First select it and then click the delete button. You can see wire has been deleted. So now you can see our circuit has completed. One more thing, if you want to zoom in or zoom out the workspace, you can zoom in or zoom out by scroll up or scroll down. If you scroll up, your workspace will be zoom in, and if you scroll down, your workspace will be zoom out. So now our circuit has been ready. Now I will simulate it. So go to start simulation and click on this. You can see our LED is glowing. This means our circuit is correct and simulation has done. Through here you can see simulator time. It will indicate the total time after the simulation. And if you want to change and if you want to keep a name of this project, you can give a name to this project by here. You can see name has been changed. Now this project has name. Now this project has a name that is LED. If you want to turn off the LED, you can turn off by stop the simulation. Okay, So now I am going to end this video and I will see you in next video. Thank you.